Hello guys, welcome back to my video. In today's video, we are going to talk about 5 tips and tricks which you must remember before appearing for your IELTS examination. So today we are going to cover up listening part. So number 1, act as a strategist. Keep in mind all the strategies and something, prepare all the things beforehand. The moment audio starts, you just have to listen and answer. So the time that you get before the audio, 30 seconds, 20 seconds, 25 seconds, depending upon the question, read the questions, annotate them, and then answer. The tip number 2 is predict the answer before they come in. So like you have blanks, you have other things. So just predict. Here there can be a number. Here there can be some year, some name. So just predict the things beforehand. It helps you out a lot. Answer comes once, not multiple times. So please remember this thing. If you have missed out an answer, it's completely okay. Just leave that and move forward because there are total 40 questions and each question carries 1 point. So if you miss out 1 point, it's okay. Don't waste your upcoming 2 or 3 points for that 1 point. Spelling matters more than you think. So please keep this thing in mind that your spellings must be correct, because even if your entire answer is correct, but there is a spelling mistake, your answer is incorrect. Last but not the least, listen for the meanings, not for the words. You won't get any straight answers except in part 1. Okay, so answers are going to be like, you will be understanding the meaning of the thing that is coming up. For instance, they have written first aid in the options, but they might say when you get any wound or something. For this guys, you can check out my videos. In that I have already mentioned and explained you the vocabularies that can be used. I will attach the link in the description below. So these were my tips and tricks for the listening portion. There are few more which I will be covering up in the upcoming videos. But do remember, my series of IELTS will cover up all the 4 parts. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.